Hello, good evening, my people. Good evening, my lovely followers. Good evening, Nabia. Good morning, good afternoon, and so good evening. Depending area where you are watching our video, support Kebu TV, and today we are bringing another dimension. We are bringing another good news here in Abia State. So, now we are just reporting from Obiora Road. Yes, Obiora, one of the roads, His Excellency Dr. Les Shomawoti OFR flagged up during his visit to Assemblies of God Church 222 Clifford Road. So, in which he made a promise that he's going to fix this road when they call his attention regarding the condition of this very road, which have never seen the good light, which have never seen a third road for the very first time, both drainages and everything, up until he made that quest for them to be also added. After that scenario, after some time, work commenced along this very place, doing the both side drainages. Both side drainages. Being a road not very close to our big popular school road, big gutter. The people, this place is going to enjoy a very nice road in that when anything got a flooding, challenge, now this very place, yes, there will be nothing like flooding because an existing big drain that conveys all the flooding are in around this vicinity, conveying them to the Apa River. So today, a friend called my attention that I should come around, that these guys have started in another stage, which is stone base. So today is Thursday, the 20th day of June, 2024. Mewuro ha asimba kamberuta bia confirm mo kwa guru ha na eme. So Maberuta, truly these guys are really working. You can watch the massive renovation, the massive construction, the massive revamping, the massive development coming down in our states, coming down speedily. So our own contribution is to make sure that we always report within the happen. So this is the first phase of the stone basin. So gradually we'll be showing you guys the whole length and breadth of this road construction. Yes, you will always get acquainted and also get in line with these changes. This is Obiora Road. Yes, Obiora Road here in Aba, Eyimba City. And here Kele Obiora. So I'm gonna make sure they're gonna get this information live and direct. So this should be the Thursday edition of our video. Here in Aba, Obiora to be precise. Mama, I believe for Bobo. What do you mean, sir? I believe for Bobo. I hope you are happy because of what is happening.
Yes, I'm very happy.
So as a people now, hello, see, Ozi Ekele will kiss in now. You now, I don't say about before.
First time. This road is a dredging
road. And here Obiora.
Yes,
then I can be a Calabria said, who's at the baby?
At all. The road was so dirty and rough.
What of drainage? Gutter.
There's nothing like gutter around. But now we have gutter. And the road is really to be completed.
And with what we are seeing, our show is okay, maybe improve.
Yes. The distance conduction will be so high. And people will also be happy.
When I want to walk,
Yes, we have light. Our light now is prepared with a former it was never. It's now the light is prepared. So we are using it. If your own light, the meter is step back, then you have to try to change.
So what will be your prayer and advice to the governor for doing this?
Our governor done a lot. Uncomparable governor. Yes. We had done a lot of things. And many people have been praising him all around. People here and there have been praising him. That his feelings and his transaction in our back is good. Okay. So we love him. We know that he is doing business now. We are encouraging him to continue this work. So that in the next step he will still be there. In the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost.
Amen. Amen. Thank you, man. Yeah. You just listen to a businesswoman who does her business along this popular Obiora road. You just listen to the horse's mouth where she says, pop and plain, that this very Obiora have never witnessed any form of third road, even drainage in the history of Abia creation. There has never been any form of drainage or road construction. Up until His Excellency Dr. Lex Chioma Oti came on board. You can see say it there. Okay. How go okay?
Next month, they don't take. No. Yeah, what Uzelo Sotina, Uzelo does an sharp. Yes. Well, I did you contract on my hand. I don't try your sack. I will also. And then I went shop in the weekend was I had it on the brand Jaha.
Yeah. But from the report I had, everyone will be hit Krota Gabriel before.
I went back to that, and I am saying, let's go to now, but number one, first batch. Even all those all got two balls or church, actually, or church. I'm gonna charge your state. All this together, I got 30, I'm gonna charge your state. Oh, somebody. But I want that contractor to Obiora by East. I'm all right, also say so. Can we cannot go side?
Yeah.
Actually, Mama, you see, but the man wanna. I'm like, I'm saying, what they're going to do. As a moment, they are way. You got man, no attachment. I want to try me now, mine. Oh, why you should bet him down? I'm there with you. So, why got you should get one to contract? I don't know, yeah, thank you. And remember, people are also appreciating and also thanking the grand side of His Excellency Dr. Les Chioma Oti. But from our message, she also insisted that the contractor handling these very road projects have been very relatively slow. Yes, they need to beef up their game so that they can be able to complete these very projects and also on time, so that as a widow who has a shop along this Obiora will be able to see how to maybe put up his business together and also make sense where she can be able to train her children. So that's the message. So Ebanubana Obiora, across Obiora, can see the popular 222 Clifford Road, yes, and here Obiora on a Hiodo. Can I push it to small Kunu Nike Hotos in Arrow? Yeah, was all, yeah, I push to. So the good thing about the road is both side drainage, and all the drainages all empties into the school road gutter. That's a very big plus. With this, there will be nothing like flooding. There will be nothing like a Nadona road. There will be nothing like road maybe you say so, because once the million not on a road always end up affecting the road. You may oga last. You oga na role. So I also believe that maybe later we'll be able to convey their message to the appropriate quarter. Also link with the Commissioner for Works, Honorable Domo Tumcheroti, so that during his assessment report or during his visit on this very site, he can be able to caution the contractor handling these very projects for them to speed up this work, because here are there's a manner and then I wrote this government or yes, and are very, very speedy. Most roads we have been delivered just within a space of 3 months. Some 4 months they have already delivered from beginning to the end. So we always allow people to share their opinion, to share their views. So these are Obiora. I'm very close to number 30 Obiora. Back in the days, back I got lesson. Yes, 30 Obiora. Back in the days, I got lesson. So, and one good thing about this very project, this place we are now about to straight, or they be blocked, and now about to straight. But because of this road construction, they have already opened it up, and you can see the wall slab, even that wall slab, wall covered, even that wall covered, yeah. A wall covered, yeah. So you can see the covered, yes, covered at the Bueba before. I wall a Bruquea Naga, so one of the more than that warrior. Bruquea Naga, so here are the Obiora, neighborhood Obiora, Opia. So she didn't make me. I'm so happy. I'm coming here, man. This electricity, Patara, power improvement, they will meter, would you everywhere. Although you can see the meters, and they've been in a meter like this. You are rest assured that Okuna is steady, because all meter was the only way for them to checkmate your usage. So everyone meter they won't be giving light the way it ought to. So this meter is Obiora. So yeah, people are now more will be recharging and also paying. Recharging, and also they will be also be getting their money. As if I would this 1 or 2 no Obiora today. Even the I'm just trying to see if I can be able to get back to my car and keep going. This we have also visited another site, another good site, to show the world some of the achievements, some of the developmental strides of His Excellency Dr. Les Chioma Oti. So we are also praying that this development that is hitting so many places will also touch down and also go around the whole city. Yes, everywhere needed good roads. Okay, you know the name with accessible road. Then business and now go for my okay. So thank you for watching Kebu TV. I ran to up, and God bless you.